What's going on, guys? It's Aaron here with High Five Guys. We just got a cold front and I got a 3-inch exhaust put on the Supra. So, figured I would give a quick video of what that sounds like. Right now, I'm not running any cats, no resonator, no muffler. It's just a complete straight pipe. Driving through a parking garage, it just turns out that it's obnoxiously loud and I don't want to make this into a ricer. So 3-inch exhaust all the way from the turbo back, straight pipe, no cat, no resonator, no muffler. So I'm gonna give it a couple of revs so you can hear what it sounds like. I actually think it sounds pretty cool once you're up in the RPMs a little bit, but the way that it sounds at idle I'm not really a fan of. Here we go. Sounds pretty cool, but yeah, still don't like the idle sound. Anyway, that's what it sounds like from inside the car. Alright, just got back from the exhaust place. Put on my new Magnaflow exhaust. It's from their Performance series. 3-inch inlet, 3-inch outlet. So, it should flow just fine. It should just knock down some of that raspy rice burner car sound that I don't like very much. And I drove it home, so I already know that it sounds pretty good. It sounds better in my opinion. But I've got the mic set up the same way. I'm about to record it so you can have a listen for yourselves. With the gain set all the way low, hopefully you can hear that without a whole lot of distortion, but that's usually the way these things go. I don't have a very high-end microphone or anything, but to my ears, it's certainly better. I get to keep the nice tone that I had before, but knock down some of the rasp and get rid of that really annoying, drony, idle sound. So, in my opinion, it's a lot better. I'm still getting my turbo to spool up just as quick as before, and it's making all the boosts that it was supposed to, so I'd say it was a success. Sounds good, it's driving good, the car really likes its 3-inch exhaust, and I'm happy with it. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this one. As always, I'm Aaron with High Five Guys. If you like these kind of videos, hit the like button and please consider subscribing to the channel, as that helps us out. But for now, I'm going to see you in the next one. Have a good day, everybody.